بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful.
والفجر
By the dawn,
وليال عشر
and by 10 nights,
والشفع والوتر
and by the even number and the odd,
والليل إذا يسر
and by the night when it passes.
هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر
Is there not in all that an oath, sufficient for one of perception?
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد
Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with Ad,
إرم ذات العماد
with Iram who had lofty pillars,
التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد
the likes of whom had never been created in the land,
وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد
and with Thamud who carved out the rocks in the valley,
وفرعون ذي الأوتاد
and with Pharaoh owner of the stakes,
الذين طغوا في البلاد
these were the people who committed great rebellion in the land,
فأكثروا فيها الفساد
so they spread corruption therein.
فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب
So your Lord poured upon them a scourge of punishment.
إن ربك لبالمرصاد
Indeed, your Lord is in observation.
فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن.
But the condition of man is that, when his Lord puts him to the test, and gives him honor and blessings, he says, "My Lord has made me honorable."
وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن.
And when he puts him to the test, and makes his sustenance difficult for him, he says, "My Lord has humiliated me."
كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم
No, but you do not treat the orphan with respect,
ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين
and you do not encourage one another to feed the poor,
وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما
and you consume all the wealth of the inheritance,
وتحبون المال حبا جما
and you love wealth with immense love.
كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا
Not at all, when the land will be turned into a sandbar by layer after layer,
وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا
and your Lord will appear in this state, that the angels will be standing in rows,
وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى.
and hell will be brought forth on that day, and man will understand on that day, and what is the benefit of his understanding? At that time,
يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي.
he will say that I wish I had made some advanced preparations for this life of mine.
فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد.
Then on that day there will be no punishment like what Allah will inflict,
ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد.
and there is no one who binds as Allah binds.
يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة
O reassured souls,
ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية
return to your Lord happy and satisfied, that Allah is pleased with you,
فادخلي في عبادي
and enter among my righteous servants,
وادخلي جنتي
and enter my paradise.